Journey into the depths of imagination as the legendary RMS Titanic and the mythical Kraken converge in the vast ocean, one marked by opulence and the other by folklore. A collision of worlds awaits. Join us on this thrilling expedition to explore what would happen if the Titanic met the Kraken. In the annals of maritime history and folklore, the tragic tale of the RMS Titanic and the mythical sea creature, the Kraken, have captured people's imaginations for generations. But what if these two distinct legends were to collide in the vast expanse of the ocean? In the vast expanse of the North Atlantic, an epic confrontation unfolds between two legendary behemoths, each ruling its own domain with unmatched power and allure. The RMS Titanic, a majestic engineering marvel of its time, embarks on its maiden voyage, a symbol of human ambition and opulence, its towering presence casting a regal silhouette against the horizon. In stark contrast, the Kraken, a creature etched in seafaring folklore, haunts the depths with an aura of mystery, its immense tentacles lying in wait for unsuspecting prey. As these colossal titans meet, a clash of worlds unlike any other ensues. The Titanic, a pinnacle of human achievement, finds itself dwarfed by the monstrous presence of the Kraken, a mythical entity that transcends the boundaries of reality. The ocean becomes a theatre of wonder and trepidation as this imposing vessel and enigmatic sea creature come face to face. The Kraken's tentacles, each as thick as ancient tree trunks, writhe and coil around the massive hull of the Titanic. Unyielding metal meets otherworldly force, and the ship's majestic splendour is no match for the raw might of the Kraken. The clash sends tremors through the ocean, and the waters seem to churn in awe of the spectacle unfolding below. The struggle intensifies as the crew and passengers of the Titanic grapple with the impossible reality of their encounter. Panic and determination intermingle as they fight to survive, drawing on human ingenuity in the face of an ancient force of nature. The Kraken's intentions remain a mystery. Is it a mere curious observer or a malevolent force drawn to wreak havoc? Amidst this tumultuous battle, a tale for the ages unfolds, one that will echo through time as a testament to the boundless wonders and dangers of the ocean. The encounter between the Titanic and the Kraken transcends the limits of history and folklore, leaving a mark on the human psyche, reminding us of the awe-inspiring mysteries that continue to lurk beneath the waves. As the Titanic confidently pressed forward, the Kraken's immense tentacles begin to break the surface, coiling and slithering, the mesmerizing yet foreboding dance. The sea, once tranquil, now churned with an otherworldly intensity. The unforeseen encounter sparked both fascination and terror among those aboard the Titanic as they bore witness to the impossible, a creature of myth manifesting before their eyes. With hearts pounding and breaths held, the crew scrambled to comprehend the surreal sight that lay before them. The passengers, once immersed in revelry and anticipation, were now gripped by a sense of wonder mingled with dread. This improbable rendezvous between human ingenuity and ancient folklore created a moment suspended in time, a meeting of two worlds entwining the realms of history and myth. The crew's urgent calls echoed across the deck as they endeavoured to navigate the uncharted waters of this unprecedented encounter. Fear and curiosity intermingled, and as the Kraken's dark form loomed larger, its true intentions remained an enigma. Would it be a curious observer or a guardian of the deep? Or a malevolent force drawn to challenge the audacious vessel that dared trespass upon its domain? As the Kraken's colossal tentacles ensnared the Titanic's majestic hull, a titanic struggle for survival ensured. The mythical creature's immense power, harnessed over centuries of maritime lore, became all too real as it unleashed its wrath upon the ill-fated vessel. The steel frame of the Titanic, a marvel of human engineering, groaned under the strain of the Kraken's relentless assault. The Kraken's brute force, fueled by its mythical origins, threatened to crush the Titanic in its grasp. The ship's hull, designed to withstand the forces of the ocean, now faced an adversary of unimaginable strength. With every tug and twist of the Kraken's tentacles, the integrity of the Titanic was tested to its limits. As the confrontation intensified, the ocean itself seemed to conspire against the vessel. The tremendous pressure of the deep sea bore down on the ship, further exacerbating the dire situation. Crew members fought valiantly to maintain control, employing every ounce of skill and determination to mitigate the Kraken's onslaught. Inside the ship, passengers and crew were tossed out like mere prawns in a cosmic struggle. Fear and desperation permeated the air as the ocean liner tilted and heaved under the weight of the Kraken's assault. The prospect of the unsinkable ship meeting its doom at the hands of the mythical sea creature defied comprehension. In the wake of the unexpected encounter with the Kraken, chaos and panic engulfed the once serene decks of the Titanic. Passengers and crew alike were thrust into a harrowing struggle for survival, grappling with an unfathomable menace from the depths. Fear-stricken faces mirrored the disbelief that the mythical creature of lore had become an all-too-real adversary. As the Kraken tentacles ensnared the vessel, the ship's engineering and structural integrity faced an unprecedented test. The crew raced against time, drawing on their training and expertise to counter the relentless assault. Every decision and action carried the weight of life and death, as they sought to navigate uncharted waters both literally and metaphorically. Throughout the ship, a spirit of camaraderie and resilience emerged as passengers and crew banded together, sharing glimmers of hope amidst the darkness. Amidst the turmoil, acts of heroism and selflessness were witnessed as crew members facilitated orderly evacuations and passengers assisted one another in their bid to survive. The vessel's fate teetered precariously on the brink of destruction, with the Kraken's power seemingly insurmountable. Yet amidst the struggle, the human spirit prevailed, a testament to the strength and determination of those aboard the ill-fated liner. The legendary encounter between the Titanic and the Kraken would transcend the boundaries of reality and folklore, leaving an indelible mark on the annals of history. Survivors' accounts passed down through time would recount the harrowing moments of the clash between human ingenuity and mythical might. These first-hand narratives, filled with tales of bravery, sacrifice and survival, would captivate audiences and become inseparable parts of maritime lore. Art, literature and media would draw inspiration from this extraordinary event, producing a wealth of creative works and immortalize the Titanic Kraken encounter. Paintings, sculptures, novels and films would capture the awe-inspiring clash, fueling the curiosity of those captivated by the mysteries of the deep sea. The collision of the Titanic and the Kraken would unleash a profound cultural impact, inspiring painters to craft masterpieces, writers to pen gripping novels and poems, and filmmakers to embark on cinematic endeavours. Such a momentous event could spur a new era of expeditions and research as scientists seek to unravel the enigmatic depths of the ocean and explore its hidden inhabitants. Beyond the mythical creature itself, the encounter might reveal new insights into marine ecosystems and the diverse life forms that thrive in the abyss. From microscopic organisms to the potential undiscovered species, the oceans could yield a treasure trove of scientific discoveries. The scientific impact of the Titanic Kraken encounter would extend far beyond a singular event, fostering a renewed appreciation for the importance of ocean research and conservation. The meeting of the Titanic and the Kraken, though purely speculative, would leave an indelible mark on culture, inspiring artistic creations across mediums and captivating the human imagination. While history and myth intertwine in the fantastic tale, the enduring allure of the Titanic Kraken legend would endure, reminding us of the endless wonders, that untamed mysteries that lie beneath the waves.